All right. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to Drew over at Drew's Home Repair and Mobile Home Flooring, I think is what it is. Anyways, just wanted to do a little update video. I got all the floors in this house finished up. All I gotta do tomorrow is come back, put some transition strips in. Today I was going through putting the vent for the dryer in. I'm not worried about that because there's gonna be a washer and dryer right here. I still gotta finish up that tomorrow because that piece I cut a little too short, so I'm gonna peel that little piece out. It only goes to about right there anyways. Just gotta pop it out, put a transition strip in, put a transition strip in over there. Remember how this bathroom looked, if you guys have been following. This bathroom is totally transformed compared to what it used to. Let's go check out the back bedroom and bathroom, how that looks. Like I said, I replaced about 98% of the flooring in this place. There we go. That's what it all looks like back here. This is kind of cool. I wanted to kind of point this out. Because he's going to replace the outlets and outlet covers. He's still going to do the door jambs. I guess he's going to put a thin piece of wood over it and paint it and make it look good. Anyways, he actually beveled the outlets out at a 45-degree angle, because what he did is he went and put drywall over the paneling, and he didn't feel like messing with the outlets, you know, taking the boxes out and all that good stuff. So he actually went and beveled them at a 45-degree angle with a razor knife. I kind of like that look. But this is what it all looks like. Nice, brand new, solid floors throughout this whole place. This is the pantry that I built. He is the one that wanted to reuse those doors, but I built that pantry. Doesn't look too bad. And then I built those little shelves right there. But otherwise, it's just a rental. It's not here to be a 5-star motel or anything like that. Just good enough for renters. I did put flooring underneath the oven, dishwasher, and refrigerator. I've actually been in a house before where they've actually done that, and they don't put any flooring on. They just go up to the refrigerator, and it makes it impossible to pull the damn refrigerator or the oven out if you ever needed to. So take the extra time to do that stuff. Anyways, guys, take it easy. Hopefully you like these videos. I've got another mobile home I'll be doing in about a week or two. Haven't figured out the exact start date on that yet, but probably about 2 weeks is what I'm gonna give it. And then you guys will see more mobile home floor stuff.